This is the new Leatherman Wingman spring action multi-tool. The Wingman does not include a sheath. And here at the Leatherman outlet store, we've been asked several times which sheath fits the Wingman. So today I've got three options. This is the Leatherman 934-810 standard nylon sheath. The Leatherman Wingman fits inside easily. Velcro closure. This sheath has an accessory pocket on each side and also in the back. Normal belt attachment. Fits the Leatherman Wingman very securely. That's the Leatherman 934-810 standard nylon sheath. Second option today is the Leatherman 931-016 premium leather and nylon sheath. Here again, the Wingman fits in very easily with a snap closure. This sheath has one side accessory pocket. The tool rattles around in the sheath a little bit. However, this sheath has one redeeming feature. It will hold the Wingman in the open position very securely. Imagine this is on your belt. Combined with the spring action plier, this is a very usable combination. This is the 931-016 premium leather and nylon sheath. And now to get to the one that I was about to get to the first time. This is Leatherman's 931-005 black moly sheath. The Wingman fits inside, plenty of room in the back for any accessories you might want to carry. Huge Velcro closure, very lightweight, very secure. This sheath has the moly system multi-attachment points. Very good combination with the Leatherman Wingman. All three of these sheaths are available now at the LeathermanOutletStore.com. Incidentally, these sheaths also are a good fit on the Leatherman Sidekick.